Real-life couple Raver Cruz and Julian San Jose danced the TikTok trend Water by Tyla. Raver and Julian were joined on stage by Fireflight stars Miguel Tan Felix and Isabel Ortega. Kylene Alcantara also went up on stage, performing Flowers. Kapuso actors Miguel Tan Felix and Ken Chan were all smiles as they spread joy, love and happiness this 2024 to their fans. From making the stage wet with water, Raver Cruz sets it on fire with a fiery dance performance. From dance performance, Kapuso singers Christian Bautista, Hannah Presilas and Jessica Villarubin also had world-class performances. Kapuso stars Andrea Torres, Sanya Lopez, and Faith Da Silva all looked gorgeous as they welcomed 2024 together. Just from how he dressed, Kapuso actor Ken Chan will surely have a colorful 2024. For Kylene, there is no better way to end 2023 and welcome 2024 with her, Mers, Julian San Jose and Rita Daniela. Wearing a shining gold dress, Ashley Ortega welcomed 2024 with a bang. Hello, 2024, from Kapuso actresses Faith Da Silva, Ashley Ortega, and Lexi Gonzalez. After the success of their Queendom concert, Kapuso singer Marianne Osabel once again showed her vocal chops at Kapuso Countdown 2024. Sofia Pablo welcomed 2024 with her fellow Kapuso stars, especially Alan Ansay. Alan Ansay was happy he welcomed 2024 with a bang. Sparkada members Michael Sager and Jeff Moses welcomed 2024 together. Cheers to an exciting 2024, wrote Michael. Happy New Year, mga Kapuso!